Mac and VIA offers many databases. One of them is TextQuest-Gale Science in Context. It provides access to over 150 reference science books from Gale Cengage. It includes over 7,000 biographies, 16,000 images and videos, and 2 dictionaries. When you open the page, you will see that they even offer topics of interest. But if you are searching for a particular topic, you can search 2 ways. You can either type the topic in the search bar, or you can browse topics. Here is where you can choose a category and find information about people, places, and subjects. As you can see, information is updated as needed. When you find the topic that you are looking for, you will first see an overview. You will also see various sources that contain information about your topic. They will list these sources below. They even offer related topics. When you read the article on your topic, you will see that they will give you information on who wrote it or edited it and who published it. You will also see information on the document that you're going to read. You have the ability to translate the article into another language. You can change the font size. And you can listen. If you find a particular sentence that you need to remember for your research, you can highlight it. They offer 6 different colors of highlights. Or you can take notes. If you are reading and you come across a word that you do not understand, you can highlight the word and they will give you the definition. At the end of the articles, you will see the books and websites that they have used. If you need to cite your source, they offer the 3 different styles. And you can select the one that you need and export it. You can even view related articles about your topic. Besides citing your source, you can email the article to Google Drive, OneDrive, or email. You can also download the article in a PDF format. As you have noticed, the text that you highlighted remains highlighted. The article can also be printed You can also get a link to the page. And if you want to view the highlights and notes, you're able to do so. Gale in Context Science is a great database for you if you have science homework that you have to complete, a research project, or if you are just wanting to read about a particular topic of interest.